we will discussed the strategy for building a strong foundation so you can become a leader people follow you. So hey, welcome to the secret number 4 or secret number 4, the opportunity switch and expert secret series and my YouTube channel. So the secret number 4 is the opportunity switch. Yesterday we talking about the opportunity switching and the new opportunity and all those things. Today we are talking about the opportunity switch. So the opportunity switch is like we need to create new opportunity in the market. We will discussed the strategy for building a strong foundation so you can become a leader people follow you. You will choose a niche you want to create. Here we talk about choose a niche. We didn't say that pick a niche. You need to choose a niche you want to create. It's essential for you to create a new niche or new opportunity for your people. It is essential to create your new niche. So far, you don't have anything to sell. The relationship between you and your audience isn't created until they pay you. So far, you didn't have anything to sell. The relationship between the you and your audiences isn't created until they pay you. So it is a free tree falls. The relationship isn't built if they doesn't pay you. So if there is an example, if a tree falls in a forest, there is no sense, no one around to hear it. Does it make sound? Re- Really no, because no one is here. It doesn't make any sound. Similarly, if you aren't an expert until someone pay you for your expertise, until you are not an expert, until if someone is not pay you for your expertise. So in the beginning stage of your expert career, you want to be a good, and that's okay. In the beginning stage of your expert career, you want to be good, and that's okay. As Garrett White said, no matter what you do in the beginning, it is going to suck because you suck. But you all get better, and you all suck less. And yes, you keep doing this, or eventually you all suck so little, you all actually be good. But you can't get good unless you start now. I was not good if I am not started from the day one. The 20 is doesn't add it if I am not take the first step. So you can't good unless you start now. You need to start it. They say that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. 20 years ago, the best plant to plant a tree, but the second best time is right now. So let's get started. Start serving people for free, get result for them. Create new opportunity for yourself. First, start serving for people for free. Start serving people. When you serve people for free, and if people get result, then you have the proof that yeah, I am work on this, I am work with this person, I work for this person, and she get result with my framework or my efforts, and I am now charging money, or I am asking for money. So for that we need to understand the two things. To charge giving service for free, to understand two things: what is the result you want for your people? What is the one result that you want to give to your audiences? Second, what is the vehicle or the process you are going to take them through to get that result? What are the vehicle that you are going to take? So once you know those two things, basic level, you can move forward to design the perfect vehicle that your audience will love. So there is a four steps to understand how you can create the new opportunity for yourself in the market in this chapter. So the step first is get early result by working for free. In this, Russell Brunson will share how he will work for free for his audiences, and then once he get a customer will get result, he give him a video testimonial, and then Russell Brunson will charge, create his own inner circle. He build his funnel page, and on his inner circle he will charge $25,000 for his inner circle because he generated result. He shares so many things, but I just share one thing: work for free, get result for your customers. So you had a proof and had real result for someone beside himself, beside myself. Create your free authority. First, work for free. Once you get a good result for your client, then you showed up to your audience, your customers, that yeah, I have this result, I have this result. You can join at my free course, my service. You can take my service and all those things. Then step two is the design the vehicle. Design the vehicle your new opportunity. Design the vehicle your create your new opportunity. In this process, build your 6 week masterclass. In this process, build your 6 week masterclass and deliver it to your audiences who want, and use who what statement. Who what, who which submarket you are the message is for. What new opportunity they will be switching to. Your message will be like who what statement. Who what statement. So I am going to teach submarket how to your niche. Submarket how to your niche. So I am going to teach affiliate marketing how to make money online by selling software or a course. I am going who what statement. Who you want to serve, what they want to need, what they want result. I am going to teach submarket want to your niche. Then the opportunity switch headline. Opportunity switch headline is like now you know who want and what. Now you they create an sexy title to attract your dream client. Create an attractive headline like for example, how to make money online within 30 days without spending the dime on ads. How to make money online within 30 days without spending the dime on ads. This is like sexy headline. Create your attractive headline to attract your dream customer. So for the example is how to result they desire most without they think they fear the most. So the second thing, first was so so there are the five curiosity getting out of the red ocean. Five curiosity hook to get out from the red ocean. We are so much work or so much hard work putting in the red ocean. So there are five ways. So number one, little known a big difference. Little known a big difference. The hook people something they aren't answer of and how knowing it could make all the difference between success and failure. Little know, big difference. They know little bit, but they don't want to put efforts, and if they don't want to put efforts, the big thing, big difference they are not getting. They don't get big result. So this hook is show people something they aren't aware of, and how knowing it could make all the difference between success and the failure. The second curiosity hook is well known and little understood. Well known and little understood. Everyone think they know about this, and show how they are actually sabotaging their success because they are missing little nuances on details. Well known and little understand. So everyone think that they know about this little, and show how everyone know about everything, but they are not putting efforts to remove from this little understood only because of their nuances on details. The third is changes everything. The changes everything. This hook is related to the problem your audience is. This hook is related to the problem of your audiences want to solve. My audience want to solve their how to learn funnel, how to start online business. So the problem is that I pitch, I give them solution as a on funnel available, and so the change everything, and letting them know that if they aren't aware of it, they are at risk of missing out a big time. If they don't, if they want to start their online business, and if they don't want to join OFA challenge, one funnel away challenge, they are big missing out on a big time. Give them a change that this challenge is change everything. Then the fourth is a crystal ball theory. If you join this program today, so you are at early success, because soon this knowledge will be common, or because soon this let's suppose the crystal ball theory example. If you join OFA one funnel away challenge with me today itself, I will give you my this bonuses, and this bonus is only for today itself. So and in future you will not get these bonuses, this like this. Then fourth, fifth, revisiting the fundamental. Here are you look hook them about the easy way to getting result. Hook them about the easy way to get the result. Then the step number 3, give them what they want. The asking campaign. Asking campaign is what give them the want. People don't buy, they need what they need. They buy what they want. No one buy what they need. They buy what they want. When they feel hunger, only then they go and purchase the food for to feed themselves. Too often we create a new opportunity giving people exactly what they need. A vehicle that is capable of getting them the end result. So is in additional to providing them with their new opportunity, you also need to find out exactly what they want inside the vehicle. Give them what they want. And asking campaign is like ask them a question what they want inside the product, or how the changes they want. So you can accomplish by running a survey, by simple one question survey. We can call it asking campaign. So asking campaign you can done by finding out the hot market, where is your target audience is congregating. Find out. Ask them what they want. Ask the question related to your niche, and what they want. Ask them. Give it to them. Then give it to them. Then asking with the asking question, getting your first 100 response. the question that you are asking, get your first 100 response. From where you get response? You get response from your family, your friends, and the people who know you. Also join your niche group and ask, become a valuable member in that niche group, provide value, putting information. And once you become a familiar face with the group, ask the question and connect with the people, drive them to your survey page. So from here you also find out the questions, or the more main questions, right? Then the second, using the survey data. So using the survey data, run traffic to the asking campaign, run the traffic asking campaign until you have about 100 response. Run traffics like go to Facebook ad, Google ads, and like this. And once you have 100, find 8 to 10 core market, 8 to 10 core people question or main the question they're asking. Find out them. Those questions will become the titles of the module in your master class. Here we build our master class, and all the 8 to 10 questions will become your master class. Have you get the point of we are started building our master class, new opportunity, and by doing this research, by doing asking campaign, we build our master class. Those questions will become like titles of the modules in our master class. And rewriting them question into bullets, rewrite all the questions into bullets, will help you to make you what you teach so much more excited in your student. And will try, I will it will make writing marketing material later soon. Step number 4, deliver your free master class. Now it's time to deliver your free master class. As you are seeing me live from last 130 plus days, I'm sharing content, I'm going live. So this is the one of the best way to putting create your masterclass, or it is a free method to running of your first masterclass. Simply you need two tools. First is a Facebook group, second is a Facebook live. Both are free. I'm doing this from last 130 plus days. I'm getting some result for myself, for my client, and right. So set a private group. I also have my group. So if you haven't joined this, I'm put the link in the comment section. You can join the my group, and I'm putting more value in my group as well. So set private group or beta group. Members of and group allow you to post, because group allow you to post your content, give the classes update. You can build your announcement section, provide accountability, deliver any bonuses. So many things available inside the group. So you can create your own group. Then you can also go with the membership in the future. In future you can go with the membership. I also build my membership area. So if you want to join, please reach out to me. I will give you access for free. It is my free master class for membership access. So deliver your master class in this format of Facebook group is the best way to give your free master class. So this is the way how you can create your new opportunity and the opportunity switch. So the four step, the first is the get early result by working for free. Second is design the vehicle or your new opportunity. Number third is the give them what they want, asking campaign. And number four is deliver your free masterclass. So that is how you can create the opportunity switch. And thank you so much for stay here till the end. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.